Hello students, our today's topic is assign chart of depreciation to company code. You must assign a chart of depreciation to each company code that is defined in assets accounting. Company codes can only be assigned to the same chart of depreciation if they maintain the same non-leading ledgers and the same parallel currencies. For that, we can use transaction code OAOB or by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Organizational Structures, assign chart of depreciation to company code. SAP में जाते हैं. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Organizational Structures, and assign chart of depreciation to company code. Click on position, enter our company code and then enter our chart of depreciation. Then click on save button. Just click on continue, press enter. Now click on save button. Okay, ledger EX defined in company code is not active. EX defined in is not active. Okay, just click on new session button. And enter FINSC underscore ledger. Press enter. Then click on continue button. Now select EX and double click on company code settings. Now click continue and then enter your company code in position and delete it. Click save, continue, own request, appendix ledger. Okay, just save, then come back, then press enter and now click save button. Click on create request, enter your description, assign chart of depreciation to company code. Now click on save button and then click on continue button. Come back.